NPM presents the liquid syrup manufacturing plant, a GMP model built with a complete stainless steel structure, SS316 contact parts, and a robust platform with steer access. The plant comprises a sugar dissolving vessel, pre-mix vessel, manufacturing vessel, and storage vessel, delivering a fully integrated solution for syrup preparation. Raw sugar can be added manually or through a vacuum system with vessels offering both steam and electrical heating options, complete with insulation. Each vessel is designed with safety valves, pressure and temperature indicators, vents, calibrated level indicators, inlet and outlet ports, and internal lighting. Top and bottom agitation options provides efficient mixing, while inline homogenization in the manufacturing vessel ensure fine particles and uniform formulations. Online filtration of sugar syrup and final product is part of the setup, with dedicated transfer pumps for each vessel for seamless operation. NPM provides option of complete auto operation with pneumatic valves and PLC HMI based panel. 21 CFR Part 11 compliance can be implemented if required. NPM offers optional CIP skid for effortless, automated cleaning and maintains strict hygiene standards. With customizable vessel sizes, flexible interconnectivity and models ranging from 500 liters to 10,000 liters batch size, NPM delivers complete solutions for syrup manufacturing. NPM process equipments presently futuristic.